Welcome back to the channel, everybody. All right, so now we're gonna try the back door. Again, same thing. Take our little panels off, little plastics, put them to the side. Same thing up top here. Well, that one, toss that to the side. Then we're gonna get a screwdriver. One, and the other one in here. Both of those are off. Now we can take the whole door off. You gotta remove this here. All right. You're gonna unplug this. Okay, take this off because in here there's a nut that we gotta take off. Right here. 10mm. The front had it too, but mine was broken. So. All right, once we got that off, we can pull this down. Disconnect, same thing. Pull these off. Put the door to the side. Same thing. Gonna remove this, which should be a 10 also. Alright, so I'm going to remove this now. Same way, I want to try to get the glue to stay on the piece you're taking out. So like the ice cream truck is around. Alright, got those out. Now, this is the rear. As you can see, the rear has the child safety locks. Okay, has the child safety locks, so we're gonna go ahead and get this one out now. And again, same thing. Torques. If I can find my torque bits. Uh-oh, where did I put my 30 torques? There we go. That out. Now we want to try and get to this. This one seems like something else is holding it on. I don't know. Got a lot of stuff in the way here. You know what? I'm gonna take this plate out so we can see what's going on back here. So, remove that plate. That will give you access to see what's going on over here. We gotta, this thing extends all the way down, so we gotta kind of get behind here to this. And how, I don't know. Look at this one here, how it connects. So basically this one has, well, really nothing. Just the connection here. So let's get in there and try to get that out. Put gloves on because this stuff will cut you. Got that out. Got this. All right, there we go. This is our bad one. I don't know what happened to it, but it's garbage. So now we put our new one in. And again, plug side down, and these things go on the inside because that's on the inside. Let's go. Where did it go? I don't know. It's right there. That position there. Right, So what I did is I put it in between here and then just pushed it up. It kind of slides, and then that locks in there, and then this locks in here. Make sure, there you go. Make sure you get it all the way in. Then we can slide this in there. Position it back. There we go. Perfect. So then let's put our screws back on. Torques. Torques, torques, torques. Just gonna hold it in position while we now we can plug it back in. And we can test for noise. Ready? No more noise. Awesome. All right. Now we're going to put everything back together. First thing, put our plate back on. Alright, that's back on. Now we're going to put this one back on. Now, oh that, nope, not yet. This not yet. Alright, so that's all plugged in. Now we put this back on. Alright, that's back on. Put these back in. Alrighty. Now we put our door back on. All right, plug this last one in. Pop that back on. Yes, 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 yes. Screws go back in now. Plastics back in. And that's it. We're all set. Let's see. All right, so that was it. As you can see, no more noise on the car at all. Just a regular alarm. And that's it. That's how you change the actuators on the door when you're getting that noise. So either stop by a junkyard or you can order them online. They're pretty cheap, not that hard to do. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.